Morning people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. In this one, we're speaking to Miss Fowler, and the aim of this video is to get into her personality, get into her head, know a little bit about who she is. And the reason why we're doing that is because, you know, she come at Jamiewood City, Richard Brown Films. Anytime them come at Jamiewood City, Richard Brown Films, you know, I just quickly pass through and just jump in at the personality, get to know the person, you see me? Yeah. So, Miss Fowler, before me even allow you to start speak, let me tell you what I'm asking of you. Because sometimes guys me think me not really lucid or clear in my questions. I'm gonna cut her off this time. See? So, my name is Ackeen. I used to be a police officer. I used to work at a whole lot of places. And I think I'm this kind of a person. I like to explore, like to get to know new people. I like the camera, I like filming. Whatever has to do with filming or the camera, like I love it. Creating, I love it. I like explore, like meet new people, like what we're doing here right now. So like that's basically me. Like I read a lot, autobiographies. I've read Obama's memoir, Promised Land, Ben Carson, Think Big, Gifted Hands, Curtis Jackson. No, more popularly known 50 Cent. You hear about 50 Cent? Curtis Jackson. From Pieces to Weight. So like I'm that person. I like to explore, see new places, see new people, learn about them and get. So that's what we're doing now. So I want you to tell everyone here about yourself. Let us know who you are. And I'm like when I'm looking at them eye. And then like make eye contact. So try to make eye contact with them. Thank me later. So, Miss Fowler, let her rip.
Alright, I'm this type of person, right? I usually work at Ruby's in Waterfront, yes. And I usually do different type of work, yes. And I'm this type of person though. I love dance.
You dance like Chris Brown?
No, like me like wine and me like
You like wine.
and me like them foreign dance there. Which
Okay.
yeah.
Wine, she know, what line of people. She not strike me as somebody with like wine, but anyway. So, you like for dance, what else you like?
And me like listen to music.
What kind of music?
Um
What
reggae,
genre?
reggae, soul, hip hop, you name it. Yeah,
So you like all kind of music.
all type of music.
Alright, so I don't think I've gotten much. So Chantel Fowler is her name, right? You're from Kingston. What high school did you used to attend?
I usually attend Mavis Bank.
Mavis Bank.
That's near Blue Mountain side.
So tell me a little bit. I like ask about high school, you know. If you watch the videos, you realize I'm ask a whole heap of people about high school. The reason why I'm ask about this, I feel like this is one point in your life, I want a whole heap of things happen where define your character. You experience them during high school. So tell me about that. Tell me about the days in high school or some of the days that stand out in your mind.
All right, at high school, I usually like sit alone and think until I did fall in our bad company. And me start move away from them. You see me? And me start sit by myself. Like in ninth grade, me usually do good in ninth grade and eighth grade, but when it comes to 10th, 11th grade, me start to drop myself, as in me grades them.
Mm-hmm.
Well, me did brighten things still, but yeah, but through the bad company, you see me?
Alright. I'm tell you something about my high school days now. I used to attend Mannings. Big up my high school, big up Mannings. Um, I think I first or second oldest school in Jamaica. So my days in high school was like this because from then, from even back in high school, me usually like cameras and like me used to use this software named Fruity Loops and me used to make music. So I was popular at high school, right? So me usually make music and carry upon my Motorola phone, the sliver. Them the time when them phone they hot. You see me? And yeah, me that kind of person in high school. Me really popular. I used to make music. Um, uh, yo, sometimes I say, oh, don't wear no white socks come to school, me wear white socks come to school. But grades did always up. You understand? Grades did always up right through exam. Did just this kind of senseless nonsense thing because of how easy. I mean, nah, show off, guys. Exam just never make no sense to me at school. But nah, say exam don't make no sense. Like the sit down and study and them something just never make no sense to me. So like mock exam, we not got no mock exam. I never need accounting, so when I do accounting in a CXC, I gone, find out the day that I gone about my business. Everything else, get my grades them and good. But high school for me was fun. You see me? As me tell her, popular, made music, DJ and them something there. They have this white friend named Sebastian. In past now. Usually bring my laptop. Me they have a Toshiba laptop them time there. I don't know if I remember about floppy disk and them kind of something. We bring it and we have FIFA on the laptop and then we sell game, like rent the game them to lower school. What?
Okay, thank you.
No, me I talk to you. Them no, me I talk to you. So she tell me to make eye contact. So sell games to the lower school and your high school did fairly alright. That's my experience during high school. So I don't know like where you usually tell me about the bad company that you were a part of.
Alright, I usually be a part of this company which not real like attend classes and stuff, but it comes to a time, you know, you realize.
So like alright, I never got classes and stuff. This was like just girls?
Yeah, girls and boys.
Girls and boys. So like I know you tell me like alright, school classes, like what else? Because me usually do that, I don't think it's a bad thing to skull class if your grades then up. Like me think say alright, school for me I have to make sure I say your grades then up and thing. And for socialize and build. But yeah, me usually do that too. I just never think of something bad because you skull class but your grades then still up. You see me? So yeah. So skull class, I wanna go.
You go like, you know, bathroom and thing, and we just there out a door there, so.
Oh, Zane.
And I make the tree and thing.
You know look like you would have fit in one crew like that. Me look more like would have fit in one crew like that based on how I articulate. You sound like somebody where as school bell ring, you reach your yard. And you're early at school in the morning.
Alright. I was that
You were that kind of person?
I was that type of person, like.
Yeah, mix me up then, man. I don't understand how someone like you find yourself in a bad company around a bathroom and them something.
But I came to my sis, I'm start look and realize I'm start, you know, say what me I just drop them. I'm just drop them, you see me, I'm start, you know.
So how did high school end though?
Oh, high school end?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I never really get no subject and thing, but yeah.
Okay.
And well, in high school, let me tell you more about high school. Me usually do food and nutrition, and me tell you me love that subject there bad because
them have that in a CXC though, food and nutrition? Is that's that subject?
Yes,
or
that's not sexy. Usually love that. I'm usually like bring stuff and do practical, you know, do like do baking and you know, like make different sandwiches.
So you do any of that now? Because I remember from the first video. Ah yes, I cut her off again. What, I don't need to hear nothing else what she said. Calm down and let me do this thing, people. So remember you talk about the passion where cooking is concerned. You don't know cooking or no baking?
Yes, in high school.
No, not in high school. Like because you're passionate about it, may I say probably afterwards you'd do something like.
Yeah, afterwards I start, you know, do a little baking. You know?
Like what you mean? You're there home and you just bake one cake? Or you I don't know, like
yeah, me used to bake like one little cake and thing.
What I try to understand is like is this baking for like you know, just casually just get up because they like it and say I can bake one cake? Oh, okay. Yeah. Gotcha. So we get through high school a little bit, your passion, which is baking. Well, cooking. I think that's what I did say. Cooking or baking.
Yeah, cooking overall is my passion.
I that tell me say that come from seeing your
Yeah,
grandparents.
that basically come from my grandma.
Okay, sit down in the kitchen and watch grandma say, oh, that you
And
want to do.
yeah,
Oh, cool. So, them support you where this cooking thing is concerned. So, what are you doing to, what I call now, to drive that passion there? The cooking passion. What you do to build on it or to get better at it?
all right. What I'm planning on doing is going to art school and do a skill. Yeah, and get my certificate. That me can that me can like build one restaurant and own it.
Okay. Alright. Kind of run out of questions I know. You know what else to ask Miss Fowler. When I get so far as that you're a reserved person. You're a reserved person. Because I never. Well, you kind of confusing because I say I didn't know bad company. So like, because when you articulate, it kind of shows you don't do a lot of socializing, like all around the place, talk to a whole heap of different people, and it's not like you don't do much of that. So yeah, me get that. I get that from talking to you. What else I could ask? You know, so you're passionate about cooking. Movies. How you're passionate about cooking? How you reach a Negril do with Richard Brown films? Oh, for the record, people, I'm need to know this. Me no control or have no say in the runnings of anything that happens over at Jamwood City or Richard Brown films. Richie, I'm a brethren. One time in come my police station, so good man that run him down and sitting and in come my police station, my police and a woman sergeant cuss him in come my station for helping him. I tell him how me know Richie, so I understand Ackeen Lawrence and Jamwood City and the movie making and all that. I need enough to understand this because that's some inbox I'm get. Give me 1 second here, Miss Fowler. So, me not have no say in the runnings and nothing we're going over there, so me can't get in the movies. Like, yeah. How me in the people them think, how me in it and now freelance cinematographer. Anyway, I go with my camera for a while, which part me there in a life, me capture it, document it, put it on the channel and save it somewhere else. Watch over these things. Let me go for say, me go off on a tangent or I go and forget what I go for say. Yeah, me not have no say in the runnings that were going over there. Richie and my brethren, buck him them time they from the police thing. And yeah, we start park because him like cameras and so. Yeah, but continue Miss Fowler. So movies, tell us about movies. How you reach from Kingston as you come from?
Yeah.
How you reach down here so now? How the whole link up and thing go on? What about that now?
All right. The reason why I'm here today because I was watching their videos, you see me, and me start like off the video them.
Mm-hmm.
I'm say why not becoming a part of their team.
Oh. So how the link up go on? I know enough people link up through Instagram, they message
Well,
Richie.
which me link up through TikTok with one of them,
Who you link
and
up with on TikTok?
Popeye.
Oh, Popeye. So you met Popeye. You met Popeye through Instagram.
No, not Instagram, through
Oh, to
TikTok. TikTok.
TikTok. So as a matter of fact, before we go no further, tell me about your Instagram name and your TikTok name, just in case people want to find and can't find her, go follow her. Yeah.
Alright, my Instagram page is Real Top Girl, and my TikTok name is Virgin Girl Shan.
Okay. Alright, so definitely go over the people, check out the page, see if you don't like nothing we want to see, and lend her some support. So you meet, how you link up with Richie, you meet Popeye on TikTok. Tell about that.
Alright, yeah, me meet him on TikTok, and like I did one live did I go on, and me basically talk to him and say if you need any more new people in the movie, him say yes, why not? And so there comes. So comes me end up here with
Okay.
them.
Alright. Link up on TikTok and then I'm moving forward. People, don't link me, ask me about If it then on a movie or nothing, link up Richard Brown on Instagram. Or it link then the all but no link. Cause me not have no say if I'm not going to the movies yes or no. So better on a link the general for the thing. Richie. See me? If you want to link me still and we do some short film, fine. But if I want business, because my page is not a business, guys. Freelance cinematographer. Me go about film, do what me like if you want to be a part of it. Or I want to give you a strength or a shout out. Come and we do some video. But this is not a business over here. You understand? Down to earth, talk, get to know people, not a business. So you want to do the business acting thing, link up Richie. Want to do some short films or want to do some video, want to learn about video, passionate about video, can link me up. John was start go off on my tangent and almost forget what my dad access. So yes, link up with Papa. You're down here now filming. Tell us about the experience that you've been having down here.
Alright, experience. I like what I see though with what they're doing.
I want you to tell me about your experience from the Genesis up until this point. What has it been like?
Well, it's been good still.
It's been good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. Done any shooting, any movies?
No, not as yet.
So you haven't done any shooting as yet. Alright, so she not do no shooting, not no movies yet. I don't know what to ask guys.
Which I'm planning on doing.
The thing is, because you're passionate about cooking, and that's the way you want. That is the passion that you want to drive. That's the way you want do for probably the rest of your life. Because me don't want nothing more than camera and video for the rest of my life. So that is your passion. So the reason why you want to do movies is because of the movies that you've seen.
Yes, and I started to love them off.
Oh, so this I know you just want to do some movies, you know, it's not really a long-term thing for you.
No, it's not really a long-term.
Alright, so tell me about what the projects them. You and Fire start about no projects or not. Because you see the thing is, I need people to know me and Richie are bridging. Me not in the business aspect of the thing or in depth like that. You see me? So when you hear me ask these questions, me genuinely don't know. I don't know when a movie is going to be dropped. Or I don't know when a movie are drop or when they are going to release a movie. So that's why I'm asking this question. I don't want to feel like there's no mocking thing. So yeah, you talk to Curious Fire us about no project, no movies we are got in. I don't know if you're allowed to tell we or whatnot.
Yes, but through the other day, the very first time I come, but the other day are is that they was calling me, but I true me did I do something. That's why I couldn't get for be a part in the one them I do right now.
But you are alright. So me don't know. Sometimes then things are classified and then can't tell you. Me don't know if that's going right or not. But are you allowed to speak about any movies that you're involved in? Tell us you can't talk about it or you know. So, I don't know, like what the plan? Me I try to figure out what the plan. What go on? What the name about the new movie where you got in now? Like I don't know.
I don't know as yet.
Alright, cool.
Which is that I'm going to find out though.
Okay. Alright. 10 minutes remaining on the clock. I think we get like a bit of our personality. We understand who Miss Fowler is from here. We have an idea. I'll do what I think if you hang up on your TikTok. If you hang up on your TikTok, because I've been on your TikTok. They might get confused. So she said she likes dancing and we see some dancing on her TikTok page. We don't get none as it relates to movies, so I don't really know what kind of movies she do or whatnot. So yeah, Miss Fowler, anything else you want to say to the people before we go?
Alright, I just want you guys to go over to Ackeen Lawrence.
Them there, someone, I hear them there. So just tell them so if you write down this on the screen, click the like button and subscribe.
Alright, so guys, I want you to go down on the screen and click the like button and subscribe and share with your family and friends.
Alright,
Have
boom.
a nice day, guys.
Alright. So one last question before we go. I always ask this question. What if you were supposed to pick your character in a movie? What character would you be? What would that person be that you wanted to act as?
Alright, type of person I would want to act as
Personality.
personality. Alright.
Bad girl, scammer girl.
Alright, like good girl.
Good girl.
Yeah.
What is a good girl? What is a good girl?
Alright, as in
Tell me about a good girl character.
as in don't as in like be at home, don't really talk to persons,
Ah!
antisocial.
What? What? My definition of a good girl is actually a bad girl. But anyways, people, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning. If you make it this far, definitely subscribe. This one we try to forget for no. I always zoom too much out. Zoom too much in. Try to forget for no Miss Fowler. I'm hear what she have to say. Da 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 da. Oh, I go on general. Morning. Boss, I pass through my mind. So, we soon, very soon. So, on short films in the work. Lauren's still there, broke. So, you know how the thing come down, man. And the money you can't pay people and something. So, but work in progress. So, me soon, a little more. Go and take a stroll about the place and then. Oh, yeah, go back to there, Miss Fowler. Oh, Miss Fowler, I go to there. So when you come back, then I do no shooting, nor nothing, you're gone. They just come and do no shooting, nor nothing, you're gone. Anyways, now I'm pressure it. So, little more, big up on yourself. Might do a little short film quick before you go. So, yeah. Big up on yourself, people. Little more. Gone.